Here's Hess. This is their Allomi Vineyard Cabernet Sauvignon 2016. This is one that we keep coming back to. For good reason. There aren't too many single vineyard Napa Valley Cabernets that consistently deliver like this does at such a good price. The Allomi is a pretty big vineyard, about 200 acres, about 35 different vineyard blocks. So they're pulling together grapes, making a blend of the different grapes from each block, determining what's gonna really shine. They throw some Petit Syrah in here. It's 85 Cab, there's about 7 Petit Syrah, there's some Malbec, there's Petit Verdot, and a little bit Merlot. So the wine gets a little hint of spice from that Petit Syrah, gets some nice little floral notes from the Petit Verdot. They age it in all American oak, 18 months in about 1/4 new American oak. So, one more little compliment to all those very interesting and flavorful grapes in this blend. Yeah, the nose is pretty. I get some cherries, I get a little bit of like blackberry on here. Really nicely perfumed. A little violet, just a hint of vanilla in there also. Pretty nose. Let's try it. Yeah, so lush, really flavorful on the palate. There's nice berry notes, blackberries, cherries. Little hints of dark chocolate in there. Tannins are there, but they're really nicely polished. Kind of tickle the insides of your mouth. This one's a wine. See, this is a wine that you can drink it right now. I mean, it's set up with all that nice fruit. It's got that backbone from the tannins, but it's soft, silky, really enjoyable. And you could also age a little bit. Get some of those secondary aromas and flavors to come up, if you can wait. Happy drinking.